So let's just have a quick round of introduction and start with you, sir.
Hi everyone, this is Kush Katakia. I'm to stockbroking. I'm really delighted to be here in this session. Thank you very much.
We work with customers for reducing their printing costs. Thanks.
Hi everybody, I'm Amol Khair, Infra Planning Consulting.
Hi, I'm Nandu Bhede, the rock singer, voiceover artist and voice trainer. My company, InSync Studios, specializes in making jingles for advertising, work for education, etc. And we train in communication skills. My company, InSync Studios, makes you sound better. Thank you.
And now we know what you used to do in that rain also.
Good evening everyone. Yeah, I'm Vishwajit Patki. I represent a company called Poddar Developers Limited. We are into constructing affordable homes and we are planning construction of 20,000 plus homes in the next financial year.
Wow.
Good evening guys, Pankaj Gupta here. I dropped to show you what I Yes, Sam.
Good evening friends, I'm Agnello Rajesh. I represent St. Angelo's Computers Limited. We are into online MBA management education and computer education. We are also into a lot of residential construction, hospitality and a couple of other activities. This is Agnello Rajesh from St. Angelo's. Thank you.
Anurag Gupta, I am a portfolio manager at Profound Consulting Private Limited, my family company. I'm a financial trainer at the Lehman Consulting.
The small and medium enterprises. I'm happy to be here.
Hi, I'm Vijay Mirani and my company name is Mansion Developers and Estate Consultants. We are a real estate broking firm and a small construction firm where we help individuals and corporates find and finalize commercial and residential in western suburb and a small-time construction in the tier 2 city of Mumbai, probably neighboring our Poddar developers in Badlapur. Thank you.
I am Anuradha Ramu, advocate, IPR attorney, practicing on trademarks, patents, copyright design.
Good evening, I'm Ramu Vedraman. I specialize on intellectual property rights. We protect your name and you get the fame. Thank you.
Good evening friends, I'm Kamlesh Joshi. I'm basically an engineer, but I'm now doing the technical recruitments for engineering industry.
Good evening friends, this is Mustafa from Pearls Walls and Floors. We are into wallpapers and PVC flooring, wood laminate flooring. So we help make your house a beautiful place to follow. Thank you.
Hi, good evening. I'm Dr. Sanjeev Upadhyay. I'm an eye surgeon by profession. I represent two franchise eye care clinics called IQ Vision Care and the Laser Refractive Center called Laser Vision International. I'm also a member of BNI. And no one probably knows this. I don't even think Vivek remembers this.
Of course I do.
But he's the one who's introduced me into BNI. Yeah. And he's changed my life. Thank you very much.
I'm Pallavi Desai. I'm a Vastu consultant. Vastu is a science based on directions. And I've given Vastu advice for houses, homes, offices, factories and hospitals and all the Vastus probably you can see. I've worked nationally as well as internationally. Thank you.
I'm Kailash and my company name is Orient Exhibition and we are into customized food solution service and we operate out of Andheri. And in fact, I am a member of BNI Victory chapter and also I am with SAN for the social networking. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shweta. I'm a graphic designer by profession. I take care of branding and graphic activities at Orient and also associated with Kailash.
Yeah, hi, I'm Sachin Dalvi, founder director of UP Express West Private Limited. We are extended arm of all the businesses in India and abroad. I run a courier and logistics company, both by import, exports and domestic.
Hi friends, my name is Himanshu. I have a decade of IT experience and now I quit my job to work on a social venture called Project Hina.
Hi, good evening friends. I'm Kiran Shiva from iDobro. We work with women, social and green enterprises, and we help you to engage, partner, support and fund for socio-environnomic impact.
Hi, my name is Ankur. Before I begin, I've been a student of St. Angelo's, and that has helped me in my business in the last 10 years. So right out of school I was there.
Thank you.
I currently run pricebaba.com. It's an offline price search engine. And I'm looking to connect with retailers, especially ones dealing in electronics. So if you know any retailer or retail chains, I would love to connect with them. So thank you in advance.
Good evening, friends. I'm Ashok Bimra. I run a company called Basco Car Spa. We do car detailing, that is steam, not sauna, sorry. Steam, shampooing, vacuuming, and also we do something which is not normally done in other car detailing. That is, we do ozone treatment for your car, which keeps it germ free and bacteria free.
My name is Hemant Changla, representing Heaven Insurance Broker. As I told you, we represent all the company. Life, non-life, both, any company, we work for you, not for insurance company. And we can provide solution for anywhere in India. And always remember, have more with have more. Thank you.
Thank you, Hemant Bhai, for getting me here. He said jam with Sam, so I was not sure. Jam with Sam. Suresh Menon from Value Addition, Sales Augmentation Company. We do lead generation, helping your sales team deliver. Thanks.
Good evening, jammers. This is Harjeet Singh from Conscript HR Advisor Private Limited, an HR and recruitment company for various industries for their manpower requirement. Thank you.
Once again, Vivek Mendonca from Lawrence. Thank you.
Good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Harish Mehta. I am a certified business coach, executive coach from the #1 coaching company, Action Coach, and also a law of attraction trainer now, the first in India. I help people grow to their true potential and make their dreams come true. I was very happy to hear about you and proud to be here. Thank you.
Hi friends, good evening. I'm Sylvester Rodriguez from Fire Business Solutions. We are in the domain of financial accounting and ERP. We provide online solutions so if you're looking to migrate your legacy applications to new generation applications, come to us, Sylvester from Prior Business Solutions. Thank you.
Good evening friends, once again it's Abhishek Gupta. I am a certified financial planning within my company More Wealth Advisors. We help you manage your money better. Thank you.
I'm Girish Khatri, representing Gayatri Spiritual Touch. We check, interpret and transform the energy for the betterment only. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Kiran Advani. I'm a business coach in practice for the last 7 years, helping companies organize themselves and sustain profitable growth.
Good evening everybody, and I'm really happy to be here. I'm a hairdresser, I run salons, and we are into education. As a matter of fact, we have been appointed by the World Skill Council in Europe as India's trainers, and we are working with the government to set the standards in India with hairdressing and beauty. A very scalable business right now.
I'm also the brand ambassador for Procter & Gamble. This is Zenobia. I run a Feng Shui Academy. I'd like to share one thing. Today at 12 in the night, if anybody is awake, tap into which is called the divine timing, which comes every 1,000 years. 12/12/2012 at 10:12. So if you are awake, please just think and visualize whatever you want.
Oh, thank you.
So that ends our episode of Jam with Sam. A couple of things I just wanted to update you. What we are going to do is, we are looking at starting a Jam with Sam education series, where we'll be having our people coming across the organization. We could have maybe a person like, we have Karan Heber, who's a fitness consultant. We have Asha, who's a hairstylist. We also have Aruna, who's a image consultant. So these people will be coming and speaking at different organizations, and we are going to be organizing those events. So this is a new thing which we are going to do. We're also going to have a kind of a mini meetup, because sometimes people are not able to make it, maybe once a month at a certain place where people will be able to network in a smaller group over there and share, their ideas and all over there. We are in the process of starting maybe sometime next year a small magazine which is going to cover a lot of networking organizations. So I'm working on that particular thing, and all the people over here are going to be part of that. It's going to cover all networking organizations in India, and we are going to have contributors for that. I already have people writing for that all set. So we are looking at launching that sometime next year. So this is what we just want to share, and this is going to be all part of the people who are associated with us. So thank you everyone for coming for Jam with Sam. There is wine, both white and red, and there is also food for that. Thank you so much.